Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a simple video on how to get your a natural color on your bar soap. Okay, a natural golden yellow or golden brown color, golden yellow color on your bar soap. You can use this with any recipe of your choice, but if your recipe uses a lot of calcium or titanium dioxide or a lot of kaolin, you end up with a white looking soap. Okay, so watch and see, stay to the end so that you'll be able to see the color and you'll be able to see the cut. Thank you very much. Bye. Everybody, I'm making soap. The weather just turned cloudy all of a sudden. I'm doing hot process. My pot is on the fire. As you can see, in here I have 5 liters of palm oil and 1 liter of PKO. Okay, so I'll allow it heat up and then we start. Come back, everybody. It's raining. You can see it's raining. Okay, so this is my lye water here. I did water discount. Okay, but this is my lye and I'm using water discount. My oils are all already hot, you can see. And as I told you, for those of you that saw my video when I was bleaching my palm oil chemically, I said I don't even want it to bleach completely white. I want it to bleach to be a little bit yellowish. That's the best way to make your laundry soap. Don't bleach it completely. Even if you're using firewood, don't bleach it completely. Even if you watch the video in which I used firewood, I always insist don't bleach it completely. Okay, so now I'm going to pour in my caustic soda. That's my lye water. Pour a little at a time, even though I poured all. That's because I'm using one hand. So I'm going to mix. Nigerian factor, there's no light. I can't even use my mixing machine. There's no light. Thank God this hot process I'm doing, not semi-hot or cold process. The hot process will facilitate the melting of the soap. If not, you have to use muzzle to be stirring. So I will mix it up. As you can see, I'm mixing. Sorry, there's steam. You know, it's hot process. I wish there's light. I would have used the mixer to be far easier. So, but I'll continue mixing. So I'll keep the phone now and mix properly, then come back to you. I think by that is I'm ready for this soap. I'm ready for it. What's kind of do it? Okay. So sorry I could not show you the pour because I was using one hand. But this is my soap. I could not show you the pour. Watch and see the cut of this laundry soap using the sliding soap cutter, and then you see the final result of how our soap will come out. If you observe carefully, you will see that our soap has this golden yellow color of the chemically bleached palm oil. Your palm oil that you bleach using firewood can still have this color. The only thing is don't bleach it completely. You can see the color, it looks brownish, light brown or golden. You understand? There are some commercial soaps that have this color too. Some of them have a deeper brown. Okay, you can see the thin slice this sliding cutter gives. It trims, it cuts into logs, it cuts into pieces. Very easy and efficient. And I'm also demonstrating for you here how to use it in case you have one or you intend to have one. You can stack a lot of logs together. Here I have a total of almost 8 logs that are stacked together. I can stack even more if I want, to which you can cut, and for each cut I get about 8 pieces of soap, isn't it so? So you can see the outcome of our soap. A very nice color. This color is better than the one you get using commercial yellow colors, because this looks natural. There is a subtle look to it that a commercial yellow color will give you. So this is how you can easily, this is one of the ways you can get a commercial brown color or a commercial golden color without using artificial colors. You get it naturally, and this looks more better, this looks more acceptable than the one you use your oil based color or your water based color, because it always looks odd somehow or artificial, especially to your customers. So this is a very easy way you can get that brown color or golden brown color you desire in your laundry soap. We have come to the end of our soap cutting. You can see we had little off cut. Everything looks neat, fine, beautiful color, guys, evenly cut and beautiful.